headbands.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ollie. Happy birthday to you. Blow the candle.
Wait, I'll do it like this.
Okay, one down. Come a little closer.
Because
Yay!
Yay!
I think it's almost there.
Hi, baby Liv. Happy birthday. Pretty Liv, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Yes, say happy birthday, Ate Olivia. Huh? Va? Say happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Oh, bye na. Bye.
Happy birthday, Ollie.
Happy birthday, Ollie.
Hi, Olivia. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Olivia. More birthdays to come. We love you.
Happy birthday, Ollie. We miss you.
Happy birthday, Ollie.
Again.
Happy birthday, Ollie.
Di mo itong imutingon.
Happy birthday, Ollie.
See you soon.
See you soon. See you
See you
next year.
soon. We have a present for you, Ollie.
See you in 1 year. Happy
birthday,
Olivia.
Happy birthday, Olivia. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Olivia.
Boom, boom, boom.
Okay.
Sorry if I can't call you this past few months because I'm busy with my graduation and I'll make it up to you when I get there. Promise. Happy birthday again, baby Olive, and Ate Ginging loves you. Mama.
Hi, Olivia. Sorry. Late na nakapag-greet si Ninang, Bessie. Say belated happy birthday. Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Ate Olivia.
Ate Bruba.
Hi, Liv! Happy birthday! Now you're 5. Stay sweet, amazing, and smart. We love you!
Hi, Liv. This is Captain America wishing you a very happy birthday. It's a secret.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Hi, Liv. You finally turned 5. I hope you grow into a very sweet, loving, smart, and kind girl. I also wish you good health and good luck throughout your life. And I also wish you that you stay kind and smart always. Happy birthday, Liv! Yay!
Are you sleepy na?
Hi, Olivia. Happy birthday. It's your Auntie Alexa. I wish you all the best on your 5th birthday. Continue making us proud and happy. Stay funny, smart, entertaining. Remember to always listen to your mom and be a good daughter. I'll see you soon. Bye.